Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was mentioning the phase of intermission of the revelation. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "While I was going, all of a sudden I heard a sound. I thereupon raised my head upward to see the same angel who had come to me in Hira, sitting on a chair between the heaven and the earth. I got awed, returned home, and said, 'Wrap me up, wrap me up.' So the households enveloped me in garments. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon revealed translation, 'O the mantled one, get up and then warn the people and magnify your Lord alone and keep your clothes clean and remain steadfast in ostracizing the idols.'" Surah Mudassir, verse 1 to 5. Then the revelation starts coming incessantly and regularly. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 404.